I want to open a way. Did we discuss about coming to the hoops like TypeScript also we should complete parallelly? Fine. Did we complete about interfaces?
Interfaces.
Yes, sir.
This is completed now.
Modifiers completed.
Protected modifier completed.
Private,
Yes,
public,
sir.
protected.
All modifier.
Abstract, abstract completed now. Abstract classes.
Yes, sir.
Abstract classes also completed. And a polymorphism completed now. Polymorph. No. Polymorphism not completed now. Polymorphism not completed. So let me go for the polymorphism. We need to go for the polymorphism. One more oops feature is there. That feature we can call polymorphism. Polymorphism. Fine. Yeah. What is a polymorphism? Behaves like many. Behaves like many, called as polymorphism. Anusha, what is the polymorphism? Behaves like many. Behaves like many, called as polymorphism. Say this one here. Here itself behaves like many, called as polymorphism. Fine. And one more point. Polymorphism contains two forms. First one is the function
Overloading.
overriding and overloading.
Yes.
One is the function overloading. What is the second one? Function overloading. Dali, please tell me once again. What is polymorphism? Behaves like
Many.
Called as
Polymorphism.
Polymorphism divided into two types are not. Yes. What is the first one? Functional
Overriding.
Function of overriding. What is the second one? Function
Overloading.
Function of overriding and a function of overloading. Fine. What is a function of overriding? Any idea? What is a function of overriding? Overriding parent class of functionality with the child class of functionality. Overriding parent class of functionality with the child class of functionality. And can you please explain once again? What is the function of overriding? Overriding parent class functionality with the child class of functionality called as function of overriding. So this one here. Overriding parent class of functionality. Parent class of functionality with the child class of functionality. With the child class of functionality called as function overriding. Called as what? Called as function of overriding. Fine. Vidyasagar, please tell me once again here, what is the function of overriding? What is the function of overriding? Can you please tell me, Shivam? Overriding. Overriding.
Parent class functionality with
Overriding
the child class
functionality with the
child class functionality
with the child class functionality called as function of overriding.
Overriding.
Fine. Now let me see the another point here. We need to see the one more point. Once again, okay. Dalia, all the members are joined now regarding our 7 o'clock batch paper. There is the Harisharan.
Yes, I think we don't have some members, only 15 members we have.
Listen the point once again, okay. Guys, what is the function of overriding? What is the function of overriding? Overriding
parent class functionality
with the child class
functionality. With the child class functionality called as function of overriding. Called as function of overriding. Fine. Let me add the point here. We need to add one point again. Try to add the point. Let me go for the coding. We need to go for the coding here. Let me go for the coding. Create a parent class. How to create a parent class?
Class
Class
parent.
parent.
Class parent. Create one function. Which function? DB function. Create one function. Which function? Function. What is the name of the class?
Parent.
What is the name of the class? Answer.
Parent.
The name of the class. The name of the class is the class.
Parent.
What is the name of the function?
DB function.
Function.
DB function. The name of the function is the DB function. Colon. Return type is what?
String.
Colon. Return type is a string. Return. What it is returning? Return data from
Parent.
Parent.
Oracle
Oracle
database. Data from Oracle database. So please explain once again, Ken. What is the name of the class?
Parent.
What is the name of the class? Parent class. What is the name of the method?
DB
What is
function.
Function.
DB function. What it is returning? What it is returning?
Data from Oracle database.
Database. So create the child class. We should create the child class. Class. Which class?
Type
Class.
Extends
Child class.
parent.
Class.
parent.
Child class extends from which
Parent.
class? Extends from
Parent.
class. Child class also. Is it okay? Fine. Now see this one again. Yes. Fine. Now say this one again. Guys, what is the name of the class?
Child.
What is the name of the class? Child class. Child class also should contain the same method. Don't place another method. Child class also should contain the same method. What is that method? DB function.
DB function.
Class also should contain the same method. What is that method? DB function. Don't place any other method here. Colon. What is the return type? Return type is
String.
return. See this one. Data from MongoDB. Return data from MongoDB. So return data from MongoDB. So guys, this is the parent class of functionality now.
Yes.
This is the parent class of functionality now. Yes, this is the parent class functionality. This functionality overriding with which functionality? Child class functionality. Parent class of functionality overriding with the child class functionality. Called as what? Called as what?
Function overriding. Function overriding.
Second, overriding parent class of functionality with the child class of functionality called as function overriding. Fine. Parent class contain which function?
DB
DB
function.
Contain which function? DB function. Child class also should contain
DB
same.
function.
Don't change the name. Parent class contain which function? DB function. Child class also should contain which function? DB function. Don't change the function. Compulsory, we should place the same function. Never change that function. So this is what we can call function overriding. Fine. Now let me add the point here. We need to add the point here. We need to add the let me add the theoretical point here. Fine. Now observe this one here. Create a object to the child class. How to create object to the child class? Anyone? How to create? Let
OBJ dot colon child is equal to new child.
Let OBJ colon child equal to new child. Next one. Call the DB function. How to call the DB function? Console.
Console dot log of
OBJ dot
DB function.
What is the answer we are getting?
Yes.
What is the answer we are getting?
Getting MongoDB.
Data from
MongoDB.
what? Data from
MongoDB.
MongoDB, not Oracle. Data from
MongoDB.
So data from MongoDB databases. So how to execute the code? How to execute the code?
TSC.
Yes.
Oops.ts.
Yes.
TSC oops.ts. Node oops.js.
Yes.
What is the answer we are getting?
Data from MongoDB.
Data from MongoDB. So data from MongoDB. So this is the answer we are able to see. Tell the conclusion point again. to implement a function of overriding. To implement a function of overriding, inheritance required or not?
Yes.
Answer. To implement a function of overriding, inheritance required or not?
Yes, sir.
Inheritance or not? Through single class, we can't implement a function of overriding. To implement a function of overriding, inheritance is required. That is the first point. Fine. Can you tell the second point again? Both the
Yes.
parent class and the child class should contain the same method or function. Can I write that to two note points? Tell me here.
Yes.
What is the first note point? To
To
implement.
implement
to
overriding.
Tell me here. To implement. Once again, to implement a function
Function overriding.
overriding. To implement a function of
Inheritance
overriding. Inheritance. Which one?
is required.
Inheritance. Inheritance is mandatory.
Mandatory.
Inheritance is mandatory. Fine. Next one. Second note point. Both the parent class, both the parent class and the child class should contain same method. Should contain what? Same method. So these are the two note points you need to remember regarding the function of overriding.
Sir, here if we create an object of parent class, if we call obj.function, then
Data from Oracle database. Sura. Yes. Now let me go for the one more point. We need to go for the one more point. One more point is the function. Tell me.
Overloading.
Function overloading. Function of overloading. So what is a function of overloading? Listen here. Listen here. But it's a different from the other languages. Same function with different data types.
Arguments.
This one. Same function, same arguments with different data, types. It's different from other languages. Function of overloading is different from other languages. So see this one. Same function, same parameters with the different data type. Listen here. Same functions. Function one. Same functions. Same function name. Same number of parameters, but different data type called as function of overloading. Tell the same point here. Same function name and the same number of arguments. Arguments are same number of parameters, but same
Different
number,
data types.
but different data type, but a different data type called as
Function overloading.
function overloading. Called as what? Called as function overloading. Same function name and same number of parameters. Same number of parameters, but different data type. But a different data type called as what? But a different
Function overloading.
as function overloading. Called as function overloading. So how to place it here? We need to place it here. Let me place it here. We need to place it here. Fine. Tell me here. Class one. Class one. Create one function. We should create one function. Let me create the function. Which function? Function one. What is the function? Function one. No body here. We don't have any body here. Function one. Next one. See the another point here. One more point is the parameter one colon data type, comma parameter two colon data type. Return type. What is the return type? The return type is the void. What is the return type here? The return type. What is the name of the class? What is the class one? What is the name of the function? Function one. Parameter one. What is the data type? String. Parameter two. What is the data type? String. Any body here? No body. Create function one once again. Create a function one once again. Parameter one colon, what is the data type? Number. Parameter two colon, what is the data type? Number. Obina. Yes, see this one again. Parameter two colon, what is the data type? Number. Colon, what is the return type? Void. Say this. Same function, same number of parameters, but
Different
Different data type.
data type.
Called as function overriding. Same function, say this one, same function, same number of parameters, but different data types, called as function overriding. This is a statement valid only for TypeScript. This is a statement not valid in C++, Java, .NET. This is a statement valid only in TypeScript. Remember that one. Create the function one once again. Function one, set this one here, parameter one, colon, string, parameter two, colon, what number, parameter two, colon, what number, colon, what is the return type, colon, what is return type is the void, colon, return type is the void. Can you tell the first two data types? String. Tell the second data type, number. Can you tell the third data type? String.
and number.
The third data type is the string number. Is that one? Fine. Do we have any method of body here? No. Provide the method of body here. Yes, please provide the method of body. How to provide the method of body here? Function one, parameter one, colon, any. Parameter one, colon, what? Any. Comma, parameter two, colon, what? Any. Parameter one, colon, any. Parameter two, colon, any. Colon, what is the return type? Void. While providing method of body, what is the parameter one? Any. What is the parameter two? Any. Do we have any method of body here? No. But how to provide the method of body? Parameter one equal to any, the parameter two equal to any. Print it here. I wanted to print it. How to print it? We need to print it here.
Console.log.
Console.log of parameter one. Next one is the parameter two. Console.log of, we need to place parameter one comma parameter two. Yeah. Sridhar, can you please expand here? Function one will allow what it will allow. Function one.
Same name but different data type.
Number, no. Here in this example, function one will allow what? String. Number, string, number. Apart from that one, will it allow any other thing? No, it won't allow. It will allow only three combinations. What is the first combination? String. What is the second combination? Number. What is the third combination? String. Apart from that one, it won't allow any other combination. It will never allow any other combination. Fine. Now create the object to the class one. How to create object to the class one? Let obj colon class one equal to new class one. Obj colon class one equal to new class one. Automatically we are able to create object to the class one. Let obj colon class one equal to new class one. Automatically we are able to create object to the class one. Yes or not? Say this one again. Yeah, say this one here. Yeah, say this one here. One more point. One more point is the please call the function. We need to call the function. How to call the function?
Function one.
Function one. Yes, sir. Yeah, obj dot function one. Once again, yeah. Yes, now say this one. You people need to do this one. How many combinations it will allow?
Three
combinations.
Number, string number. Hello one, hello two. Any mistake here? No mistake.
No.
Obj dot function one. 100, 200. Any mistake here? No.
No.
Next one. obj data function of hello, 100. Any mistake here? No mistake. Just to do the mistake here, I want to do the mistake. obj data function of 100, hello. 100, hello. Is it valid?
No.
No.
Not valid. So it will allow only 3 combinations: string to string, number, string to number. Will it allow number string? No, it won't allow the number string. So because of that reason, we got the error here. SR matter. No overloaded, no overload matches column. No overload matches column here. So this one we can call this one what do you call polymer. This one we can call functional overloading. Tell the statement once again, kid. More than one method with the same name, same number of arguments, but
different data types.
Different data types.
but a different data types called as function overloading.
Overload.
Tell the node particle to implement a function of overloading. To implement a function of overloading, do we need any inheritance?
No.
Do we need any inheritance? No. To implement a function of overloading, we don't need any inheritance here. This one here, node pointer. What is the node pointer here? The node point is the to implement tell me here, to implement a function overloading.
Overloading.
Implement a function overloading. We not required. We don't require. We don't require inheritance. We don't require what? Inheritance. But in the previous example, we required inheritance.
Inheritance.
This one we can call whatever the story we have here. This is story we can call polymorphism. This one what do you call? Polymorphism.
Polymorphism.
So the return type should be same always.
I think
But
you can
this-
place any. You can place the any also, not an issue. Fine. Yeah. Let me go for the one more example, guys. We need to go for the one more example. After completing this one, then let me go for the one more example again. The one more example is the static keyword. What is the keyword we have? Static.
Static.
Static. Fine. Static keyword applicable to variables and functions. Tell the pointer. Static keyword applicable to variables and functions. One more pointer. Static members we can call directly by using class name.
Class name.
Static members we can call directly by using class name. Yes or no? To call static members, object not required. Object not required. Tell the point once again. What is the static here? Static member applicable to static member applicable to
Variables and functions.
variables and functions. We can call static members directly by using class name. Directly by using class name. To call static members, object not required. Object not required. Yeah. Dali, tell the theoretical point here. Can you please tell the theoretical point here? What is the point? Static members. Static member. Static modifier applicable to static modifier applicable to variables and functions. Static modifier applicable to variables and functions. Yes, yeah, say this one here. Static modifier applicable to variables and functions. One more pointer. Static members we can access
With the help of class name.
by using directly by using class name. Static members we can access directly by using class name. Directly by using class name here. See the example. See the example here. How to create the class
Class.
Class one. Take one static variable, variable 1 colon Check the error. Take the constructor. Take the constructor. How to refer the current class member? How to
This
refer
dot.
member?
This dot where one equal to one.
This won't work.
Is it possible?
No.
We can't refer static numbers with this keyword.
Yes.
We can't refer static numbers with this keyword. Tell the point once again. Can I tell the one more point again? We can't refer static numbers. We can't refer not static numbers. We can't refer static numbers by using this keyword. By using what? By using this keyword. We can't refer static numbers by using this keyword. We can't initialize. We can't initialize
Constructor.
static numbers with the constructor. What with the constructor? Fine. Let us explain the theoretical point once again. What is the first point?
Static modifier applicable to variables and
functions.
functions.
Second point.
Static members
can
you
access
can
directly by
class
using
name.
class
Class
name.
name.
Static members directly by using class name.
Name.
Third point. Shivam. Third point. We can't
Refer static member using this keyword.
by using this keyword. We can't refer static members by using this keyword. Fourth point.
We can't initialize
static
member with constructor.
This is the error or matter. This is the
Yes,
error.
sir.
See the one more error. Guys, these things through the practice only. While listening also is not possible. You need to put your fingers on the code in itself. Then you can do that one. I think while listening, you can't go. Fine. Now, see the class one. How to create the class one?
Class one.
Create one static variable. How to create
Static.
variable one? Variable one colon string equal to hello. Create object to the class. Create object to the class. How to create object to the class? How to create
Let obj
colon class one equal
class
to
one equal to new class one.
New class one. Access the static member. Try to access the static member. Variable.
Not possible.
Is it possible? No.
Not possible.
Members we can't access through class objects. Static members we can't access through class
objects.
Static members we can't access through class objects. Let me add the point here. We need to add the point here. What's another point? We can't access invoke static members with the class objects. We can't access static members with the class object. Dali, explain the 5 theoretical points again. What is the first point?
static modifiers applicable to variables and functions.
Variables and functions. Second point.
Static members we can access directly by using class name.
By using the class name. Static members we can access directly by using class and name. One more point.
We cannot refer static members by using this keyword.
We can't refer static members by using this keyword. This keyword not applicable to static keyword. Next one more point.
We cannot initialize static members with constructor.
Yeah, we cannot initialize static members with the constructor. Next one more point.
We cannot access static members with class objects.
We cannot access static members with the
class objects.
So these are the theoretical points which is related to static. Fine. Let me go for the one executable program. We need to go for the one executable program. Let me go for the one executable program. How to create the class one?
Class one.
The class one. class one,
Class one.
class one, static variable one, colon, string equal to hello. Next one, static function one, colon, return type is any, return what you wanted to return, you need to return welcome. What is the name of class?
Class one.
Class one.
Contain static variable. Yes, class one contain static variable. Is class one contain static function? Yes.
Yes.
Class one contain static function also. Class one contain static variable and class one contain static function also. Yes, sir. Can we access it?
Yes.
Yes.
How to access it?
Class one dot
Console dot-
class
console-
one value.
class one dot variable one. Which one? Console dot log
Log class
console
one
dot
function.
console dot log of series one here. Class one dot function one. Class one dot variable one. Class one dot function one. So automatically we can access it. Yes, now the answer is for hello and welcome. Now
Yes.
we got the answer is for hello and welcome. Now we got the answer. Okay, the answer is the hello and welcome. So this is the story which is related to which modifier? This is
Static.
the story which is related to static modifier.
Static keyword.
Yes, fine. Yeah. Guys, you see this one here. Let me go for the one more point here after completing this one. Yeah. After completing this one, I think coming to the React itself. Let me go for the React itself. In the last
Sir,
class, what we
sir,
discussed.
Sir, the polymorphism point only I didn't understand, sir. There we didn't create a child on the parent, right? Unless we call something on parent, it cannot become polymorphism, no? There in that above example.
This one,
Yes.
tell me here.
Here, right, we are simply creating a child on a child class, sir. Unless we call something on a parent child, it cannot become polymorphism, right?
How?
Here, this overriding.
No, say this one here. Yeah, Srikar, say this one. Your father earned 1 crore of money. Coming to yourself, you are earning 1.5 crore of money. What is your father property? 1 crore. But what
Yes.
you done, you are overriding that one. Yes or not?
Okay.
Same property or
Okay.
not? Same property.
Okay.
Your father property is the 1 crore. Same property. Both are related to you only. Your
Okay.
father money, your money goes to you only or not? You only.
Okay. So this is not related. This overriding is not related to polymorphism, sir. This
It's
example.
related to polymorphism only. This is related to overriding. This is one of the concepts which is related to polymorphism. Overriding related to polymorphism. Okay. Yeah, guys, take the 5 to 10 minutes break. Just to take the 5 minutes break, guys. After the break, I will tell you the React application. Guys, in the React, did we discuss about state?
Yes.
State.
Yes, sir. State and props.
Props.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Guys, if you practice props, if you're able to practice props, then you are feeling comfortable with the remaining examples. Fine. Practice in a props, practice in a props
Yes.
and props drilling also. Props drilling also. Sharing the data from more than 2 components. Sharing the data from more than 2 components, we can call props drilling. So yeah, once if you practice, then you are eligible to understand the today class care. Guys, so still how many members not install the softwares? Fine. Thank you, guys.